Tell your stories. Make a connection with your audience. Help people with valuable information about your business, or help people with your expertise. Broadcast offers for your followers. Do all of this in one click. Here we are creating and sharing Canva design templates for all to use for free. If you don't have a budget for creating beautiful designs and social media posts, don't worry. You don't have to pay a dime. But, if you are financially strong and have a budget for designing, please give your designing work to graphic designers and help them earn their livelihood. These templates are for people who are doing small businesses on a limited budget, startups and self-employed people, freelancers, people who are in no way afford graphic designing, and digital marketing services. This project is a part of our vision to help people who are just starting to work on their dreams. And we are doing it for free. But if you sincerely want to support this vision, you can also help. You can share it with more people who need this. You can request more templates and give details about which type of designs you need. Please send the request to our mail, connect@yescatalyst.com. We will try our maximum to complete all the requests. Every day, we will be adding new templates. Not only designs, but we will also be extending our services to free events, courses and other supporting materials. Once again, the templates are free to use for any commercial activity, including selling these templates for other people, if that helps you to move forwards with your dreams. What if you love the templates and the vision, and you also want to contribute? Then you can pay for these templates. But there is no fixed price. You can pay whatever you like. And whatever amount you pay is for training more people from financially struggling backgrounds in designing, video editing, digital marketing, consulting and other related fields. This amount is for buying machines for them. This amount is for renting places to train them. And we hope that we can create more resources and tools for you and a better life for many financially struggling people. Again, this is our vision. All we can do is to work consistently for that. And we sincerely believe that all the universe will conspire in helping us to achieve it.